Every second counts. Would you know what to do if a life was on the line? In both industrial and healthcare environments, sudden cardiac arrest is a real threat. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation keeps oxygen flowing to vital organs, and automated external defibrillators can restart a heart with just one shock. Push hard and fast in the center of the chest, about 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Do not stop until help arrives or the person begins to breathe. Automated external defibrillators are easy to use. Turn it on, follow the voice instructions, and place the pads as shown. It will analyze the heart rhythm and guide you. Shock only if advised. Training saves lives. Whether you are on the factory floor or in a clinic, knowing cardiopulmonary resuscitation and how to use an automated external defibrillator makes you the first responder. Be ready, because lives depend on you.